Hey everybody, it's Jerry. Y'all, I got this cool little thing. It's a mobile phone lens. That's what it says. Mobile phone lens. I haven't tried it out yet. Well, I actually played around with it just a little bit, but I had my phone case on. I took my phone case, and it didn't fit with my phone case on. So I took my phone case off. Now I'm outside. I'm going to try it out again, but with you guys. We'll try it out together. This is supposed to be like a magnifying lens for your camera, your phone. This, if it actually does work, you know, this would be like really, it's be pretty damn good, especially for me, hunting wise. Be able to zoom in on something that's further away than what your phone's capable of picking up. Mobile phone lens. Now we got this, like I said, at a flea market. I wasn't sent this or anything to review. Bought this at a flea market for only $2. Yeah. This is what it looks like. Let me take. That's what it looks like. There's a lens to zoom out real far. There's this one here for wide angle views, and this little thing right here, what it does is clips it onto your phone. It screws onto it and it clips it onto your phone. Alright, let's see how it does. I hope it damn works. If I can flip this around. Yeah, there we go. Alright, you probably can't see it. Well, yeah, I guess you can, but way back there at about maybe 600 or 700 yards is an old house. I'm gonna zoom out or zoom in or whatever, zoom somewhere, see how it picks up with just my phone. Picks up pretty good, don't it? It picks up pretty damn good. That's about 600-700 yards, something like that. Alright, now, after you already saw that, let's try out this thing. Try this out. Now this somehow clips onto here. Bear with me for a second. There we go. Oh. Come on. Come on, damn it. Yep, if I can get it right. There we go. And by turning it, you can focus. Look at that. Now that's zoomed all the way back in. And it already is picking up very good. And that's zoomed out, or I don't know, it's something. Ah, crap. What happened? I don't know what's happened here. I think my phone has a whole different, there it is. Oh my God. Ain't that something? Man, look at that. Look at there. Let's not aim at their window. I don't think anybody even lives there, but that's just not. Ain't that some shit? God, that is awesome. My phone has 3 different cameras. I'm guessing I was wrong. Look at there. Oops. That must be the secret camera right there. That is awesome, huh? Well, I guess old Jerry's got a new toy to play with. That's how far away that thing is without this. Man, that is nice. That is very, very nice. Let's try out the wide angle lens. I'm not too sure it's actually going to do much of anything. we'll try it out anyway. I like it. $2, y'all. $2 damn. Take off the cap. Okay, I gotta turn it back on. I don't see no difference in that one. Let's zoom back out there again. Let's see what that's all about. Alright, now let's take it off. Yeah, I don't see a difference. But that is it. That is it. That is pretty cool. I'm really liking it. Mobile phone lens. I guess that's the brand, I don't know. Mobile phone telescope plus super wide angle something. Show that again. Well, y'all, I'm gonna get off here. I guess I'm gonna play with this some more. Well, this is gonna come in handy, like that on hunting trips or just when me and the wife go camping. This thing back up. That is very, very nice. $2. You can't beat that for $2, can you? All right. Well, I'm out of here. I will catch you guys later. Jerry's happy. Happy boy.